That's all them pilot holes drilled up. I'm going to unscrew the 2 screws holding in place to keep it good for the other pilots, so that panel can come back out, and I'll do exactly the same what I did for that one on this side, because if I keep that panel in I won't be able to get my hand under to make sure it's all smooth and flush here, so it'll just make it easier for me. So I'm going to unscrew them, take that panel off, flip it over, do the pilot holes for the other one, and then once that's done I'll start wood adhesive in it and wood screwing it up, and then that's them sides done.
I just can't stop the feelings, don't seem to go away. So if I hurt your feelings, don't blame it on me. I just can't stop the feelings, nothing else to say, and now they're here to stay. So if I hurt your feelings, don't take it the wrong way. It's just because I'm oh la 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 la, oh la 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 la, frisky, oh la 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 la, yeah, oh la 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 la, frisky. I think I found a winner with no ring around her finger. Her dress from all saints, but I think I found a sinner. I think her pals are with her. Who's her girlfriend down in liquor? If I tell her I'm a boxer, will she let me down? And I wanna pick her up, her down. She gon' be waking up my neighbors if I bring her around. Where I'm from, if you're famous, you don't go to Tinseltown. Post for a picture, smile, the fashionistas out. They say, hey, Mr. Is it cool to take a picture? Girl, you better keep your distance, I just wanna have. I'm on a mission, I don't even wanna kiss her, honey. I won't even miss her when I'm done with that. I just can't stop the feeling, nothing else to say, don't seem to go away. So if I hurt your feeling, don't take it the wrong way. It's just oh la 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 la, oh la 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 la, frisky, oh la 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 la, oh la 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 la, frisky. Would you risk it for a chocolate biscuit? Would you risk it for a chocolate biscuit? I'm suspicious, she looks delicious. She likes to talk her like that's why I call her Trisha. Her nails are manicured, her hair has been conditioned. Don't worry about her race, she ain't in no competition. She should be on television or on the radio singing. I would be the first to watch and I would be the first to listen. I would put her in position at the mission, from my staircase to her kitchen. Leave her switching, 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 switching. They say, hey, Mr. Is it cool to take a picture? Girl, you better keep your distance, I just wanna have. I'm on a mission, I don't even wanna kiss her, honey. I won't even miss her when I'm done with her. I just can't stop the feeling, nothing else to say, don't seem to go away. So if I hurt your feeling, don't take it the wrong way. It's just oh la 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 la, oh la 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 la, frisky, oh la 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 la, oh la 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 la, frisky, oh la 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 la, oh la 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 la, frisky, oh la 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 la, oh la 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 la, frisky. It's what I'm feeling, yeah. It's what I'm feeling, yeah. Frisky, oh la 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 la. It's what I'm feeling, yeah. Frisky, oh la 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 la. It's what I'm feeling, yeah. Frisky.
Okay, this is my top. Just sketched out all the holes. Now I'm going to drill them all up. Right, I'm just going to finish drilling the holes and I'll show you what it looks like after. Just finished drawing all the sinking holes. Just going to drill into them, do the pilot holes, and then wood glue it, and then screw it all in. So this is what it's going to look like. Pretty solid, pretty flush. Okay, I'll show you when it's when I'm about to mount the amp. There we go. I've got the amp mounted on there, and the 6 bars just resting. And now I'm going to mount them in a minute. Going to run the wiring through. I'm going to whack it in my boot now. That's what it looks like now. And drill a big hole in the back for the wiring. So I'm going to go wire it in my boot now. See what it looks like. Just finished the install. Wired the amp all up nicely. The RCA's 6x9s on the top, and there's my 15-inch sub. Looks pretty good in the boot. There we go. I'm just going to go do a quick bass test for you guys. Just finished installing my box. Now I'm going to do a bass test. This is Young Jeezy, Big Dog I think it's called.